Where do we go from here? From The Crossover by Quam Alexander. There are no coaches at funerals, no practice to get ready, no warm-up. There is no last-second shot, and we all wear its cruel midnight uniform, starless and unfriendly. I am unprepared for death. This is a game I cannot play. It has no rules, no referees. You cannot win. I listen to my father's teammates tell funny stories about love and basketball. I hear the choir's comfort songs. They almost drown out Mom's sobs. She will not look in the coffin. That is not my husband, she says. Dad is gone, like the end of a good song. What remains is bone and muscle and cold skin. I grab Mom's right hand. JB grabs her left. The preacher says, a great father, son, and a husband has crossed over. Amen. Outside, a long charcoal limo pulls up to the curb to take us back. If only.